The root is an important part of a plant, big and small. Roots help the plant to fix to the soil, to absorb water and minerals necessary for survival, and to conduct water and minerals to various parts of the plant through the xylem tissue. Water is an important constituent of cell protoplasm in plants. It provides mechanical strength as the turgor pressure gives stiffness to the plant's cells. Water is also required during photosynthesis to prepare food, in transpiration to cool the plant, and in the transportation of minerals and nutrients. Roots also absorb minerals such as phosphates, sulfates, nitrates, potassium, magnesium, calcium, and chlorine from the soil. Now let's see how roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. The ability of the roots to absorb water depends on factors like large surface area of the rootlets and root hairs, high concentration of cell sap of root hairs, and thin walls of the root hairs. Let's see how surface area affects the absorbing ability of the plant. Roots develop from the radial part of the seed. The first thick root is called the primary root. Branches produced from this limb are called secondary roots, and the branches formed on this are called tertiary roots. Tertiary roots further give rise to small roots called rootlets. Each rootlet contains a number of root hairs. These root hairs absorb water from the soil. Therefore, an increase in the number of root hairs increases the capacity of the root to absorb water from the soil. Root hair is made up of a single cell, and its sap is an important factor in determining its absorbing ability. It is an extension of the epidermal cell of the root and contains a vacuole. These vacuoles contain sap, rich with salts. These dissolved salts create a high concentration in the root hair. This high concentration of salt makes water move from the soil to the roots. Root hair cells have two layers, the cell wall and the cell membrane. The cell wall is the outer covering of the cell. It is thin, permeable, and allows the free movement of molecules and minerals in and out of the cell. The cell membrane of the root cell is very thin, semi-permeable, and allows the movement of water molecules in and out of the cell. It does not allow the movement of large molecules inside the cell. Water molecules from the soil pass through the cell wall and cell membrane to reach the root hair cell.